Good day, sir. This is my video for the 6-week assessment. I'll begin. So, task 1. Calculate her maximum loadable quantity using hydrostic table. So, the target here, or the target graph here, is 9.300 meters. It's equivalent to displacement of 33,740.52 metric tons. And the light ship is equivalent to 6,000.00 metric tons. And calculate this one minus will be the dead weight. And the dead weight is 27,740.52 metric tons. And the non-cargo hold is 2,750 metric tons. So in order to get the cargo hold, we have to add all of this: FO, DO, constant dead weight, and F, and this one. So the result will be 2,750 metric tons. And going back, 27,740.52 metric tons minus the non-cargo weight equivalent, so the answer on the first task, which is 24,990.52 metric tons. Secondly, task 2. Calculate her cargo quantity if she will depart her load with her tropical draft using deadweight scale. Tropical draft. The tropical draft is 9.40. And the displacement of a deadweight scale is 24,000 metric tons. And the light ship is again 6,000 metric tons. And if we subtract the two, the displacement and the light ship, and the result will be the dead weight. And the dead weight is 18,000 metric tons. And then cargo hold is equivalent to 2,750 metric tons. And if we subtract the two, the dead weight and the cargo hold, or the cargo weight, will equals the cargo weight. So the non-cargo weight, and equals will be cargo weight, which is 15,200 metric tons. And that will be the answer for task 2. So lastly, task 3. Calculate the cargo quantity difference in metric tons between her tropical draft and summer draft using hydrostic table. So in the statement, we need to solve the tropical draft and the summer draft. So we're going to solve the two. First is the tropical draft with 9.40 meters. In the hydrostic table, displacement is 24,143.31 metric tons. And the light ship is again 6,000 metric tons. And we subtract the displacement and the lighthouse or light ship, the result will be the dead weight. And the dead weight is 28,143.31 metric tons. And the non-cargo weight is, again, we solved it earlier, 2,750 metric tons. We subtract the two, and the result will be cargo weight. And the cargo weight is 25,393.31 metric tons. So our tropical draft is 25,393.31 metric tons. Now we head on to the summer draft. And the summer draft has 9.217 in the hydrostic table. And the displacement is 33,418.88 metric tons. And the light ship again is 6,000 metric tons. And if we subtract the displacement and the light ship, the answer will be the dead weight. And the dead weight is 27,418.88 metric tons. And the non-cargo non-cargo weight rather is 2,750 metric tons. The one we served earlier. And again, if we subtract the two, the dead weight and the non-cargo weight, the result will be the cargo weight. And the cargo weight is 24,686.88 metric tons. And that's our summer draft. And here, the tropical draft and the summer draft is, the question is the difference between the two halves. So we're gonna subtract these two. So we're gonna subtract the tropical draft and the summer draft, and the equivalent will be 724.43 metric tons. And the overall answer is the difference between the two halves is 724.23 metric tons. And that will be the answer for task 3. And that will be all, sir. Thank you.